Good morning, children. In this lesson or in this class, I am continuing the exercise 1.3 solving. We are in question number 11. Question number 11 says, if the sum of first n terms of an AB is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? Like that, go on. Whenever the formula is given Sn is 4n minus n square, if I put n equal to 1, then I get the first term or sum of the first terms. So S1 equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. I have got S1 equal to 3. S1 is nothing but A1 or it is nothing but A, the first term. Then if I put n equal to 2, I will get sum of two terms. S2 equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 to the 8 minus 4, I have got S2 is 4. Now clearly understand, sum of first terms or the first term is A, sum of two terms is 4. First two terms when you add you get 4, first term is 3. Then what is second term? Obviously 4 minus 3, that is 1 becomes the second term. So A2 is 1. Now for this sequence I know A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 1. This implies common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is D equal to minus 2. Once I know A and D, then there is nothing to solve. They are asking us to find out 10th term, asking to find out nth term. Just put the values, you get 10th term, A10 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D or A plus 9D. So you are getting 10th term, that is A10 equal to minus 15. Now you can find An also. Here the solving process I have made simple and I have not solved completely. I am trying to solve An and I have left at the half An equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. Remaining things are left for you. Continuation you can do easily. Going to question 12. Question 12, 13, 14 they are similar. And that kind of questions already I have solved in PPT and the video which have been shared earlier. This is just to make you more clear. Sum of first 40 integers divisible by 6. I am supposed to find the sum of first 40 integers divisible by 6. Indication is first term will be 6. Next is 6 to the 12, 18 like that. How many terms? 40 terms. I am supposed to find the sum. Clearly given A equal to 6, D become 12 minus 6, that is 6, n equal to 40. Put the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Put all the values. Sn equal to 40 by 2 into 2a means 2 into 6, 12 plus n minus 1 is 39 into 6. Further simplification only. Simplification steps I won't explain now. Ultimate answer you will get as 4920. Just go through. The 13th question is very similar to 12th one. You do yourself. Even 14th also similar. But to make you clear, I am explaining that find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. What are the odd numbers between 0 and 50? Odd numbers start with 1. So 1, 3, 5, etc. till 49. They are the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now the question is, you are supposed to find the sum. Be clear, to find the sum I should know how many odd numbers are there in between. Once if I know the number of odd numbers, then I can find the sum. So you may say there are 25 odd numbers. If you can understand that there are 25, you can do directly. Otherwise, try to find the number of odd numbers by taking A equal to 1, D equal to 2, A and the last term is 49. By the general formula to find out arithmetic progression A equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, you can easily find out how many terms are there or how many odd numbers are there. So now I know there are 25 odd numbers. What next? Then trying their sum. How? Sn formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Put the values, get the answer. Or just recall, in the previous class I have given you one more formula to find the sum of odd numbers. We know Sn equal to n square. You can utilize that. So immediately you can say what is the sum now. I hope you may guess. If you can't guess it, there is no problem. You can use the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d also. You get the same answer. That is about question 12, 13 and 14. Coming to question 15. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. That means whatever work is assigned, that should be completed. If it is not completed, you have to pay penalty. How much you have to pay? If you can't complete, if you are 1 day late, 200 rupees. 2 day late, 250. Third day, you should pay 300. Like that it goes on. So, the penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more than the preceding day, indicating d equal to 50. That's all. So, first time is 200, 250, 300 goes on. What else? How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? 30 days he has delayed, in the sense there are 30 terms. All the information is there in the question only. A is 200, D is 50, N is 30. What you are supposed to do? You are supposed to find the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here also I have left 1 or 2 steps. N by 2 became 15. Directly I have taken into 2a is 2 into 200, 400 plus n minus 1 is 29 into 50. Sn equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450. I have got Sn equal to 15 into 1850. So the sum is 27,750. What is this? 27,750 rupees contractor has to pay as penalty. Question 16. A sum of 700 rupees is to be given as 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performances. Understand that there are 7 children. We are going to give them totally 700 rupees. That means for all 7 together. Then how it is given to them? Whether all prizes are equal? No. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. So prizes we are giving first prize, second prize, third prize, fourth prize, like that. Then first prize, second prize, can we give same? Definitely no. So what we are doing? Each prize is 20 less than the previous one. What is common difference? Minus 20. You are reducing the amount. First one will get more price, second will get 20 rupees less, third will get still 20 rupees less. This goes on. So got the indication, D is minus 20. How much money is being given together? 700 rupees. So Sn is 700. For how many children you are giving? For 7 members. So N is 7. What you want now? You are supposed to find A only. Which formula is sufficient? You can have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From that you are trying to find out A. Here also I have not solved the question completely. I have put the values. Sn is 700 equal to n by 2 means 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Remaining complete question you are supposed to solve yourself and check. You will get A equal to 160. Once you get A equal to 160, what is the meaning? First prize is 160 rupees. What is the second prize? 160 minus 20, it is 140. Third prize, 120. Cross check once. 160, 140, 120, 100. Like that, how many prizes you have to give? 7 prizes. If you add them, totally you will get 700. If you are getting, your answer becomes correct. So cross check once. The remaining, there are some 3-4 more questions. I hope there are 3 questions. Those questions are lengthy. They consume more time and consume more data. It may become difficult for you to download. That's why these questions we shall discuss in our regular class only.